Why even in the call if you're gonna mute us?
Yeah, good point.
I'm gonna mute a few of y'all because y'all are dirt.
You're gonna mute me, right?
Yeah, because you're dirt and you're useless.
Alright.
Wait, Chanty, what did I do?
Okay, now I have actual useful people in here. Sawyer is muted. Okay. Anybody that's tuning in live, I'm gonna keep the chat. I'm gonna open the chat on my phone because I can't open it while I'm occupied doing you.
Come on, bro.
How do I open the chat?
I'll mute my headphones so I won't stop yapping.
Well, just mute him.
But it's so loud. Can you please make your mic a little quieter? That's
Better not be echoing on mine.
I'm gonna be opening the chat on my phone. I just started going live. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. Move you out of the way.
Don't troll him here. Oh my god. Uh-oh.
That mic sounds so dirt.
It's so loud. Can you please make your mic a little quieter?
I'm just gonna turn my phone volume down. Okay, now let's get started. Anybody on? Yes, there's somebody on. So today we have a enhanced risk across. What was that?
Oh.
Yeah, Leah kind of sounds very raspy.
Whatever. But I just need
Yeah,
to turn that
very
off.
raspy.
Get that. I only need these three.
Chanty, man.
Shut up. We got a new tornado.
Ow, my arm.
It is a roll. We got continue. There's radar indicated and it's
Ow.
has a red TVS on it. And I'm like, okay.
Chancellor, wants you to unmute him.
No, I'm not unmuting him. How can I switch modes? Whatever, I have to do it like this. Screw it, I'm just gonna use weatherwise. Oh, I just closed my browser. That's dope.
Sit on it.
And I might get a marine one here soon. More up, SPS got canceled. Yeah, that storm's dead. We got a tornado warning right here, and there's two storm chases on it. Otherwise, it's much easier to handle. And this storm has a hook on it, which means it has pretty good inflow. David,
Chance, you were live for the Tory yesterday?
I went live, yes.
That's an EF4, and it says the winds are possibly 200 miles per hour.
Well, if it is 200 miles per hour, that's extremely high in EF4.
It could be upgraded to EF5. I would not be surprised, but we'll see.
Well, that'd be the second EF5 in 13 years.
I got a fart.
We're supposed to be professional here. Garvin and Murray counties.
I got a fart again.
Jesus. Can you stop, dude? You are so inappropriate. You know what? I thought I'm done. There we go. What was that? I'm sorry. This is just crazy. Is this new? No. There's also a pretty strong area of rotation here. North Central Coal, East Central Pontiac, and Hygius counties in Oklahoma. Make sure this thing it does not have a CC drop yet. Actually, it might. We're also going to be tracking some storms up here. There was a tornado warning for downtown Indianapolis earlier, and this here is a considerable severe downtown warning with 70 miles per hour winds. If I could go reflectivity. This is about to be canceled, probably another one is about to be issued. An MD, all new tornado warning. New tornado warning. It is radar indicated for, if I could go, Murray and it's just Murray County in southern Oklahoma. It is radar indicated moving southeast of 20 miles per hour. Most with some storm chase on the storm it is has a hook on it. And that's your rotation area right here. So for you in the path of this storm. So for anybody in Sulphur needs to be getting into their safe place. This is going to be moving into your area here about pretty shortly. You should be getting to your safe place now. And either that's hail or that might be a CC drop for debris. I just hope it's hail. I put my phone on silent. So, why ain't my radar reflectivity updating? Well, it did. So for you in the path of this dangerous storm, even if you're not going to be affected by the tornado, you will be seeing hail up to 1.75 inches in diameter. That is considerable range. That will damage your car and probably shatter some windows and may damage your roof. Anybody in Mill Creek? Anybody in Mill Creek and Acura? I can't say some of these words. You should keep a close eye on this thing because it's making intense. We may be seeing another area of rotation here. It's this very weak area of rotation. We have several areas of rotation. Right here we have an area of rotation right here. Pretty strong. And this also has a considerable SVR. As a considerable severe thunderstorm warning with it. Anybody that's on could, if you want to type in the chat, you can. We have several days of severe weather across the United States, including, if I could do this, we got a severe thunderstorm watch a tornado watch for the entire almost the entire enhanced risk area. Later this evening into tonight, we may see a expansion into the enhanced risk area, into the southern part of the enhanced risk area. Tomorrow, we also have another enhanced risk. We have 4 days of severe weather for the same area but further north, Oklahoma City, Tulsa. The enhancers may get extended to include more of Oklahoma City Metro and maybe Wichita. We also have an enhanced risk, slight risk for Wichita, Little Rock, Shreveport. And also includes central and southern Kansas, most of eastern and central Oklahoma, western Arkansas, and extreme western portions of Texas and top portions of Louisiana on a marginal risk. Which, even if you are in the lowest risk, you should still keep an eye out, because a pop-up thunderstorm or two might affect in your area. With the tornado risk of it, well, I should do today first, actually, because that's more important. The hail risk, it is hail driven. The enhanced risk is hail. Is mostly hail driven. We do have a couple. We could see a strong tornado too today. It is highlighted in a SIG level 1, 5% tornado risk, meaning 1 or 2 storms may produce a strong tornado too, up to EF2. We also have a 15% wind risk, meaning you may see a few storms that could reach wind speeds up to 70 miles per hour. You also have a small 5% up there in McCook, in Nebraska, and also another 5% wind risk for Indianapolis, Columbia, Fort Wayne, Louisville, Detroit. Tomorrow. What?
That green TBS over where do we call it? What county is that? Over Cole County is unworn right now by a tour.
Where's that at? In Oklahoma? Yeah, right here. It is under Cole, Seminole, Kodiak, and Douglas County in Oklahoma. You have an unwarned tornado. You may have 2 unwarned areas of rotation near Gertie and north of Tupelo, Oklahoma. We have an unwarned area of rotation. And maybe another area of rotation that may be going towards McAllister.
Yeah, Chance.
Yeah?
Sawyer and them are wanting me to ask me to unmute them.
I'm not unmuting them because they're being unprofessional. What is Norman doing? Or whatever. What office is that?
Looks like it's embedded, so it's like a embedded, yeah.
Powers is not one. There's rotation right here. Going towards Highway 75. Over by Fort Smith, we have a couple of severe thunderstorms. That is.
Yeah, that's a very weird.
Norman needs to go better at their job. Why isn't this area unwarned? Actually, I'm going to draw an outline to a tornado one if I were Norman. For people to get in a safe place. I'm going to draw an outline. This area here, anybody in this area should be getting into a safe place. Anybody in this area, even further south, a little further south near Colgate, and then eventually in Choctaw Nation and Clayton. Y'all need to keep a close eye on this thing because this may get intense. We have an unwarned possible tornado on the ground. Let me take coldest coefficient. There's no CC drop. There might, if there is, that's probably it right there. Very weak. We have an embedded.
There's no CC drop, but there's like weird rotation. So
it's pretty good rotation. It's probably a tornado, but it hasn't fully touched the ground yet.
I really have never seen a rotation that's like formed inside the rain, like the main part of rain in a storm. So it might not be a tornado, but I don't know.
Excuse me, I gotta put these chickens up. Well, they want to get on eggs. Nope, 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 nope. Bam. Stay in here, chickens. Go on. Go on, go in there. Go on. 1679 is dead, so there's a marine one that won't go off. Why isn't this there? And we have another potential to develop in supercell right here. Today, if storms form, this area right here, this storm just developed. They will develop quickly, and it will produce very large hail and maybe a tornado today, and into this evening. Anyway. And there's no watch with Syria. Yeah, they're not going to show watch with Jackson. That storm died quickly. The Indianapolis Tour 1 storm died quickly. It's like 55 miles per hour. New severe thunderstorm warning, maybe it's later, I don't know. Our primary focus is going to be this area today. Because that's where the enhanced risk area is. Yeah, get rid of this. Oh, we might have a tornado going right for downtown South Oklahoma. Is that town abandoned? No. No. We'll have an area rotation going right for downtown South and it's still radar indicator out into the 4 storm chasers with a storm. Who's this? Brandon, Corey, Adam,
This might be an underwhelming tour, to be
and
honest.
Sam.
Yeah.
What?
No.
What's that?
Hey, Chance. F5 says he's sorry and he asks you kind of to mute him.
And this Spit Down one has just been canceled. I'll unmute him in a minute.
Bro, the amount of storm chasers in Oklahoma City right now is crazy.
Sparta Network?
But what?
Sparta Network? Let me turn those on.
Yeah. Over Splitter.
Oh yeah, I see.
Matthew Colliet. Are they how you say it?
Wait, is Pico
Bro,
tank on
there's
these
so many
spotters?
teachers on this tornado. Oh my! It's like 50.
Wait, isn't like one of these storm chasers like Pico's Hank?
Probably. Look at this.
Maybe. Oh, what the heck? The watch just got expanded. I guess not. I don't know. We have a potential area. We have a potential area. We have a potential tornado going into Seoul. We have a line of storm chasers over this area right now. Holy sweet Jesus! There's a lot of storm chasers. Trying to see if you can see Pico's tank in this mess of storm chasers. No, Pico's tank, he like stays by himself in some areas.
Yo, where does Picos live again? I forgot.
I don't know, like Oklahoma or somewhere, I don't know. Okay, the good thing is the northern area rotation is starting to die down, but I don't know. Why isn't this one? And why isn't this even tour possible? This needs to be tour possible. Normally I thought you were a good office. Issue the tour continue this, make it tour possible, or issue a tornado warning.
Yeah.
What was that? That was a tour. That was a tour of some sort. Oh, there we go. Continuation. Still radar indicated.
Continuation.
And we have a new severe dancer warning for Indiana. Where's that at? I told you this was probably going to get issued. 60 is the base of the base severe dancer warning you can think of. 60 miles per hour. And basically no hail. If any at all. Now it's not the time to play Baldi's Basics. I'm 100% know for a fact Pico Texas and this probably good for storm chasers. Or probably on another storm. He's probably somewhere in Oklahoma. Or Texas. Doesn't it show up as Hank on his like name?
Probably.
Looks like this tornado is not on the ground because if it was, a storm chase, this would probably be towards sea already. Yep, we have 2 areas of rotation. Why isn't this tour warned? Tornado warning. What time are we leaving? Yesterday I left the chat open and there was like 50,000 people typing. So that I'm keeping the chat open on my phone. Holy has cams in Alabama. Uh,
My keyboard's broken.
wait, Kev,
Yeah.
there's an area of
Yeah.
unworn rotation near Hartshorne in Oklahoma.
Yeah, I've seen that. It's really not good.
Tulsa, I would expect you to be. I would expect you to be better than this stuff. Why is there an SVR inside of an SVR? Makes no sense. They probably just canceled that thing.
I did. Chance, did you move? Did you move F5?
I will in a bit.
Yeah, he said he won't do
And
it
they
again.
continued the SVR. It is still considerable.
Uh-huh.
Fuck this, I'm just gonna unmute him.
Do it, man.
There.
There you go. Is my mic better?
No being dough.
Is my mic better?
It's fine.
Yeah, your mic's good at 5. Good show.
One tornado!
Where?
In Oklahoma! No, what is no one doing? This SVR ain't even too possible! Literally would have probably already issued a PDS for this.
I don't see it. Where?
Got. It's fully
Where is
considerable SVR. Are you dumb? Excuse me.
I don't see a CC drop anywhere, bro.
Yeah, it's still strong rotation. They need to issue a tornado warning. What county is this? Cole, Pontiac, and Douglas counties. If you're on this area, if you're in Ashland, Savannah, and McClaster Army Ammunition Plant, you need to be getting to shelter now. As is, there's an unwarned tornado warning, but with a cell. There's an unwarned tornado.
There's no tornado on the ground.
Well, they still need to issue a tornado warning. Normans don't. Where is the tornado warning? There's another rotation near going up on McAllister. There's 3 areas of rotation. Anybody in McAllister in Point?
Thank you.
Where's this? Where is this heading? Moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm may intensify. Okay. There's an area of rotation, and it looks pretty strong. Like this one here. And then it's probably. What?
I just lost one.
You know everybody can hear y'all, right? On the stream.
Yeah, I just
I
got
know.
vindicated.
Kev, stop playing, what do you call it?
It's fun though. Oh crap. Might be sort of.
I need to get ready to go to an event in Wiggins, Mississippi. I gotta go to Wiggins, Mississippi. That's me out of LIX's coverage area. I'm gonna be in Mobile's coverage area again for the second time in a
Great.
month. It's Wiggins, Jackson, or Mobile. But that's besides the point. But this rotation is still how okay. So how is this one? How is this one and not this and this? How aren't both these ones? Even a single tornado warning for both cells is fine. They need to issue a regular tornado warning for these storms at least, or issue a tour pass for SVR. I've seen way too many storms in my
Out there.
day to count this as a weak area rotation. It's pretty good. So they're fooling around, and now there's
Oh,
another
yes we
tornado
are.
one in Indiana, in Newcastle. Let me see. Let me guess. This area is weaker than that one in Oklahoma. Well, it's still quite strong. Uh-oh, that is quite
You are
strong. It's small.
Indianapolis.
That is a small, strong area of rotation. It's developing.
Chance. Tornado warning in Indianapolis near
I'm
them.
covering that right now. Northeastern
In
Hancock
Newcastle.
County and Harry County and Central Indiana. A tornado warning. Anybody in Newcastle, Kennard, Greensboro, Moreland, or potentially a Carmen Henderson, you need to be getting to your safe place very soon.
It looks like it's a KLCS storm.
Yeah, so that's a quick spin up tornado then.
That's almost like Hancock, Mississippi.
Yeah, whatever.
Uh-oh.
If you're in Wilson, Woodville, Kennard, Mount Lawn, or Westwood, or potentially Newcastle, Grant City, Maple Valley, and Greensboro, you need to be getting to so you should be already in your safe place now.
Jackson, SVR.
Jackson, Mississippi. Holy cow, that's a big ass VR. It is just regular SVR. If it goes considerable or destructive, which is unlikely, I would just cover it. And now new SVR. It is 2.5 inch hail observed. Norman loves hail, but they don't love tornado warnings. Well, there's now a not tour possible at all. There's not a tour possible. Well, the air rotation's starting to die down a little bit. It may recycle. Is it tour possible? Consider SVR for 2-inch hail. Cole County, Pontiac, Akatua, and Douglas County in southeastern Illinois. And there's an area rotation going out for Ashland. Why isn't there a toll for this?
Dang it! God dang it! Big.
Let me check back on this storm up here. area start. They need to update the radar for me. I'm probably to cut the stream off at 5 at around 4 to 50.
You probably
Kev,
will.
do you mind going live and taking over or something until I get back? Whatever.
Hey, what?
Okay, Norman. At this point, wait, what office is this? It's Norman. Why isn't there a tour? I get this is a tour one, but once this exits the warning polygon, they probably not gonna issue another one. Now what happened over here? This looks like it got continued. Area rotation is staying stable. Anybody in path of the storm, Newcastle, Wilson, Spaceland, and Moreland, you need to be taking shelter. If you are under tornado warning during this event or any event, you need to be taking shelter. I mean, 99% of you all in Oklahoma, in the Midwest, know what to do. But if anybody that doesn't know what to do, you need to be going on the lowest floor, well away from windows. You need to be in an interior room on the lowest floor, well away from outside walls and windows. You need to go into a hallway, interior hallway, bathroom, or closet. If you have a basement, get inside that basement. If you have a outside storm cellar, either above ground or underground, take shelter in that. Make sure you have quick access to it. I know some people that live around this area that have locks on their storm cellars. Make sure if you want to keep that locked, you make sure you have immediate access to that key, just in case you get under a tornado warning. We still have an unwarned tornado, potential unwarned tornado warning. This needs a prior tornado warning. We had this storm here was going through this entire area and it wasn't even warned. This area too needs to probably get warned too. I don't even know if it's on the ground or not. We do not have a CC drop with the storm. We do not have any debris in here, at least at this time. What's wrong with uh-oh. Uh-oh. Please be here. We have a CC drop with the southern storm. We have a CC drop with the sulfur storm. F5. We have a CC drop for the sulfur storm.
Where?
The sulfur storm, the turbulent storm, and the tornado warning just got canceled. Norman, where's the new tornado warning?
Still in effect.
Well, it just disappeared off my screen. What happened?
Don't reissue it. Just give it a second. Maybe.
I've been talking about this storm
It is a
all
little
week.
bit weaker now. There's not a CC drop.
There's like 1,500 people watching this storm. Watching this radar site. What is going wrong with this storm? Crap, we have 1, 2, 3 areas of rotation. What's that? Let me guess, that's an Indianapolis storm. They don't give a crap. Norman doesn't give a crap. No, that wasn't even the Newcastle storm. Or the tour prosperous fjord, finally. A tour possible storm for a tour possible SVR for this storm, I believe.
Wow, a Class D fire extinguisher.
Class
Oh,
D,
those are cool.
they do exist, but they are expensive.
Also,
They are
Class
very
A
expensive.
also really
They are very expensive, but they also put out like magnesium fires and all kind of metal fires.
I know, yeah. D is metal. K is
Yeah,
like
D is for
D
A.
fire.
A is flammable. A is wood, paper, and cloth. B is flammable liquids. Class C is electrical equipment. Class D is flammable metal like magnesium. Class K is kitchen fats.
Okay, Class A is like normal
Wood, paper,
combustible
and
stuff.
cloth, and fabric. Anything that turns into an ash. You know? Okay, Norman. Damn chickens.
Chickens.
Bro, your chickies are good, bro.
What happened to your
Work on that
chickens,
earlier.
Wall?
Oh, freaking hell. This guy's annoying as... wow. Can I not... Ah, there we go. There we go. I just killed him.
Bitch.
Bo's just dodging all my attacks.
Hello?
Oh, a new one.
What are we eating? Okay.
Oh, yes. Direct hit.
Alright.
Oh, my. LWX is going ham right now.
Gotta go to Wiggins here in about half an hour. Let me guess. Lixie is gonna issue like 500,000 million warnings, and I can't even get them.
Why are you going there?
Cause I gotta go to my cousin's birthday, and I'm forced to go, or I'm gonna get my butt broke.
When are you gonna get back?
I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. I'm being
When are you
attacked
coming
by
back?
Ronald McDonald. Bro.
Probably
I'm being
around
attacked
9
by Ronald
tonight, which is stupid. Oh, new SPS.
Oh, well. I think the storms will come in later, though.
Well, good. I don't want to miss anything at all. That storm that happened earlier was a sea breeze storm.
Yeah.
But I guess, chat. I guess I'm gonna stop the streaming for now. But if anything severe gets issued, like a tornado, like a Torsi, PDS Tor, tornado emergency or destructive SVR.
Oh, Chance, even
What?
though it's not gonna come to your area till later on, the storms.
What
The storms will be in your area between 3 and 6 a.m. Chance, you're gonna have like 3 rounds of. Chance, you're gonna have like.
Football
Chance,
night.
Chance, you're gonna have like 3 rounds of storms this weekend.
But you're
Dude,
lucky.
It's gonna be.
I need the rain. 26 inches below goddamn average.
Well, we need the rain too, but
Yeah,
Chance, you're gonna have a line of severe storms, sea breeze storms, and then again a line of severe storms.
Bro, at this point, give us a mega hurricane that puts out a lot of rain.
Oh, no. Oh,
No,
buddy.
Get us like a
I
big
give us a big, gigantic tropical storm about the size of Sandy, and give us
a big, massive Category 1 hurricane to clear all this up.
give us the rain that we need. I don't want nobody to die. I don't want nobody to lose their home or anything, but we need the rain because there was like a 4,000 acre wildland fire in northern Harrison County last week. And I think there's still some fires going on. I go to reflectivity.
I need to loot buildings.
Maybe there's a fire or something that's going on. Maybe the fire department actually did their job. There's a fire right here.
Oh, yes.
That's been going on for a while. And there's a fire right here. We need the rain. I'll tell y'all where that fire happened. Right in this area. But most shut up. But that's besides the point. If anything significant gets issued, anything major, life-threatening, I will do a community post. Stay tuned for that. And tomorrow I'll be going live. As long as Sunday and Monday. Sunday could have a potential to be the worst day of them all. Which is basically...
Yeah, Sunday also has us expecting something too.
Sunday is by far probably the worst day of the entire outbreak. Our friends and family that lived up in Chicago and Bloomington area. So I hope they stay safe and I mean they're moderate. I mean the ratios of moderate risks happen there all the time, basically once, twice a year. Moderate risks. There's even moderate risk like 2 months ago that happened in this area. But we can never be too sure. But I guess I'm in the live stream now. If anything significant gets issued, I will do a community post.